Hi there, welcome to a new episode of An Ordinary Review with PJ. Today I'm going to record a different sort of an episode for you. I'm not going to do my usual reviews of movies or web series that I have been seeing. Instead, I'm recording a recommendation special for you. I'm going to give you 3 recommendations of the web series that I have seen in the past and I loved them. And I so do believe that you will also like them quite a bit. They are fun to watch. So here goes my recommendation number 1. This is a series called Into the Night. It's available on Netflix. It's a European series. It's very interesting. It's about an apocalyptic event that is happening where people are dying when they get exposed to sun. So there's this one armed man who comes to know about this, and he hijacks this plane which is taking off from Brussels. There are a few passengers on the plane, and he tells them to fly into the night. He tells the captain that fly the plane into the night, do not expose yourself to the sun, otherwise we'll all die. So there's this conflict now. There are strangers on the plane, they're fighting each other, they're trying to understand the situation, they're trying to, they come to know about this apocalyptic event that is happening. They're afraid of the hijacker, so a lot of things happen. It's a fun ride, it's a thrill series to watch as to how this people cope with the situation and how they need to fight for food, they need to fight for survival, they need to fight for fuel, and also to ensure that they keep flying into the night. I would strongly recommend it. It's a great watch. It's 6 episodes, very fast, and I think you can definitely binge watch it. So that's my recommendation 1, Into the Night on Netflix. Now my recommendation 2. This is a series called Home Before Dark. It's available on Apple TV Plus. It's based on a life of a young journalist who actually investigated a cold case when she was very young. So this is a series where this young journalist has returned to father's hometown. Father has actually left his job. He is also an crime investigative journalist, and she has always loved this investigative journalism that her father does, and she becomes obsessed with it. So she comes to this town where her father has some bad memories from childhood, where one of his friend was kidnapped and has been missing since. Nobody knows where the boy is, whether he's alive, he's dead. And this mystery intrigues this young girl, and so she gathers a couple of friends from her school, and they start investigating what happened to this boy. And what's shown in the series is that she faces a lot of resistance from the sheriff of the town, from other people, and a lot of pushback on why she's investigating this case. It's a cold case, she's not going to find anything. But her determination to go and solve the problem continues. And I think it's great to watch as to how she goes about doing it, how she gets support from her father to do what she's doing. Again, a very, very intriguing mystery drama, and particularly cute because the young girl is really cute, the one who's playing this character of a young journalist, and it's fun to watch, and I think something that you can watch with family, because I'm sure young kids at home will also love this series. It's very nice. It's called Home Before Dark. It's available on Apple TV Plus. And now we come to the third recommendation of this episode. It's a series called Defending Jacob. It's available on Apple TV Plus. It stars Chris Evans of the Captain America fame. This is a series based on a book of the same name, published by the author William Langley. It's an interesting story. It's about Chris Evans, who's a district attorney, and he has a son, and 3 of them, him, his wife and son, are living a very happy life. All of a sudden, something happens where their life is thrown into a big turmoil. Their son actually gets implicated on the murder of his schoolmate, and the authorities found a knife on him, which puts him as the suspect for the murder. And now how the family tries to cope up with this trauma, at the same time trying to prove that their son is innocent. So Chris Evans is a district attorney, so he tries everything in his power to prove that his son cannot kill anybody. and he also starts investigating as to who can be the real killer and how did that boy die. Mother goes through her own painful realization that how can her son do something like this. While on one side she believes that her son is innocent, on the other side she does feel that there have been violent tendencies in her son growing up. So there is a possibility that he could do something like this. And obviously the boy who's playing the son, goes into a shell, doesn't reveal his feelings truly. So there's a lot of this, psychological drama that goes on. It's a very taut drama. It's a typical murder mystery where things move slowly, but and a lot of tense situations are there. But something, if you like those kind of dramas, you will love this. It's a nice one. It's called Defending Jacob. It's available on Apple TV Plus. So that completes my 3 recommendations for this episode. I do hope that you can check it out and you would like them. I look forward to bringing more such recommendations into the future, as I also bring other reviews of movies and series that I will see. So thank you for watching my reviews. Thank you for sharing your feedback. Do leave your comments with what you specifically liked about my reviews and anything that you want me to review into the future. I look forward to bringing more such episodes to you. Keep watching whatever you're watching. Stay happy. Till next time. Bye bye.